Freestyle. Molly gang, bitch. I'm blowing super loud. One of the hottest in the city. Let's be truthful now. I roll that coupe around. Yeah, I just ride around. You talking about that purple Yoko? Got it by the pound. I just bought a boat. Well, I'm trying to get some land now. Hard for me to hear these critics over the damn crowd. They be talking money. Well, I've been getting bands now. Hottest white boy in the city. Bitch in his hands down. Rap don't work. Well, I bet you I'll be straight. All I need some rocks at 30, some coke and a set of skates. Rappers talk about some pistols that they will never spray. It ain't fair for Mike Tyson to fight him a featherweight. Yeah, these small guys, small fries, they ain't really bout it. In my city, ask about me. Riding around my car is cloudy. On that super duper loud too. Them bitches around you ain't about to shake shit. My squad will make the town move. Molly gang, bitch. Everybody know it's us. Mafia money up in this bitch. Yeah, we throw it up. Drink it till I throw it up. Get the cushion, roll it up. Bad bitches roll with us. Whole city know what's up. Yeah, it's Cansville, Antioch, Southside to be exact. Ride around with a whole crew that don't even rap. These fucking rappers, these actors on some movie shit. Meanwhile, I'm riding around with guns bigger than Ludacris. I get love from all the Bloods and I get love from the Hoover Crips. I get love from all the Crips. Yeah, they don't even trip. I get love.